Hi, I'm Nelson, and this is the Sir Nelson English School. In this school, we help you to improve your reading, writing, speaking, and listening skills. We also help you to pass the IELTS test. In this particular video, we are going to look at the sound I. The spelling is IE. Because of that E, we read that letter with a long sound. I. Ice, read after me. Ice, bike, bite, dice, dime, dive. Pause the video and read the rest of the words. Remember, all of them have the long I sound. Do the same here. Time, tire, vine, wide, wife. Pause the video and you read the rest of the words. Let's see the meaning. Look at the pictures, read the word, and see the meaning. 1 up to 6. Do the same here. 1 up to 6, practice. 8 up to 13, practice. Read the words clearly. 8, 13, practice. 14 to 18, read the words and look at the pictures and find the meanings. Do the same here. You practice. 19 up to 23, look at the picture and read the words. Practice, use this page to practice. Now we have another I sound, but a different spelling, I-G-H. Practice. Do the same here. Read the words aloud. Another I sound, but the spelling is letter Y. Read these words. Read these words aloud. Eight up to 11. Pause the video and practice. Pause the video and practice.